Guys, what's up? Welcome back to this cryptocurrency video. I have a lot to talk about today. I'm just gonna go ahead and start off with Chiliz. We have ADA to talk about, we have ALGO, and we have BNB. At the end, I'm also gonna give you guys a breakdown on Bitcoin because Bitcoin is the king and Bitcoin is the leader, and this is why this market is a little bit red right now. As you guys can see on the right side of my screen, the market is a little bit, it's dropping a little bit. So I'm just gonna start off with these three coins. First, guys, and a possible giveaway, guys. If this video reaches 10,000 views, I will do a giveaway tomorrow. Mark my words, guys. And yeah, stay till the end of the video and I will tell you guys the requirement for the giveaway. Anyways, guys, we're gonna start off with Chiliz right here, CHZ. As you guys can see, we are in a falling wedge still, guys. As you can see, we are in a falling wedge for CHZ. Boom. It's getting to the end of the falling wedge, guys. As you guys can see, it is popping a little bit up. I'm still in a long, although I am in the minus right now, on the negative just by a tiny slightly bit. I'm still in a long, guys. I am not pulling off this trade. I am not closing off this trade. I really believe in this trade. I do have a stop loss, guys, right here approximately. As you guys can see, about this yellow line. This would be my stop loss, guys. Don't overuse your leverage. You don't need high leverage for CHG, guys. This is a 100% trade if it goes up to this level. Like I mentioned, a falling wedge, a target usually goes back to the all-time highs. As you guys can see, the money flow index here, guys. Boom, this is the money flow. Look at this, we are very low here. We made a top and look where we were right here, guys. We were at the 23 level. Now we are at the bottom and we're at the 50 level, guys. So this is pretty big in my opinion. Please, guys, don't use leverage. You could put this even on spot and you'll make 100% within a week, even next 2 weeks, guys. So this is the update. Money flow looks healthy, the chart looks healthy. Don't worry, guys, this dip is only because of Bitcoin. Let's go on to ADA, guys. ADA, boom. Let me explain to you guys what happened with ADA. As you guys can see, we saw this descending triangle. It was right here approximately. That was a descending triangle. This was my target, the blue line. If you guys go back to my previous videos, I told you guys that this was my target right here approximately. It didn't exactly reach it, but this was my target and it was like approximately there. I also mentioned that we were going to consolidate a little bit before popping back up. I also said that I wouldn't place a trade on ADA until confirmation, guys. ADA, first of all, the reason why this happened on Cardano is because of the Coinbase listing, guys. This is why the pumping is happening. There is it's being currently listed on Coinbase Pro. So it's pretty cool. You know, Coinbase people who are trading on Coinbase cannot trade ADA Cardano. So anyways, guys, this is a pretty well confirmation. This right here is actually being supported. We found support right here, support. This was all previous resistance, and I said, guys, that until we break that, I don't want to lump ADA. So I will be looking to I'm looking for maybe a retest and pulling off along from there. Let's go on to ALGO, guys. Algorand. All right, guys, this is Algorand. As you guys can see, this is the line. Okay, we have a resistance right here. Here, let me draw it out for you guys. We got resistance, well, support actually, support that turned into resistance right here, and right here, guys. This is all resistance turning into support. As you guys can see, we are in a ascending triangle. This is a weird ascending triangle, but it's still working. So what do we see in ALGO here? Okay, so we got a big swing up. Okay, guys, we got a correction, a big correction, and we got some consolidation, accumulation. Okay, guys, we should see a pop from Algorand very soon, guys. Algorand is gonna go to the moon in my opinion. You know, we saw this huge rally, this nice correction, consolidation, which is the accumulation phase. If you are smart, you know that this is the accumulation phase and you have to be patient, guys, because you know accumulation will happen. You guys can see, maybe I can find it here. You see, guys, all this was accumulation, boom, it went flying. So it's kind of repeating, guys. We see accumulation. This is accumulation phase. Okay, this is the part where everyone is accumulating and not really you know, they're not going too crazy. They're slowly buying the small dip. So of course everything will depend on Bitcoin. So let's go on to BNB, guys. As we can see, guys, this is BNB. It's being supported pretty well in a 3-hour time frame. 3-hour time frame by the 100 moving average and a 200 moving average. So it's pretty interesting to see what BNB will do. I think this is a good long in my opinion. Guys, don't overuse leverage. Once again, this is not financial advice. We saw this big rally now, and then we saw this nice consolidation to the sideways. We saw nice consolidation. So we should see another rally up, guys. Let's go on to Bitcoin right now, right away. So we see Bitcoin is being very, very volatile right now. It sort of made a double bottom. Would I consider this a double bottom? Probably. As you guys can see here, we have 2 tips to the downside. Just a second. Let me pull out my my brush. We got 2 tips. 1, 2. 1, 2. We could see a double bottom. I would say a long would be above here. Yesterday also we did have a head and shoulder, which was a failed breakout, guys. Unfortunately, it was a failed breakout on the head and shoulder. This will happen once in a while. Failed breakouts will happen. Wow, sorry guys, my bad, my mistake. Okay, here, so the head and shoulder, where was it? Okay, let me just draw that out. Let me draw this line. Okay, so this was the head and shoulder, guys, on Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the king, guys, so remember, this was the head and shoulder. We had the failed breakout, came back down, supported. Usually when you have a head and shoulder, it will usually come back and test this line. So we had that. We had a failed breakout. Sorry, my bad. And I mean, we're gonna have to see what happens here. It came back to the support line. This is a cross support resistance, guys, by the way. It's pretty useful. So yeah, this is that. What else, guys? The one thing I wanted to speak about is the Bitcoin dominance, guys. Bitcoin dominance is really, really important. It is actually down 52% or 0.52, and that means that altcoins are actually they're staying pretty high. They're healthy. Altcoins are being healthy right now. They're not dumping as much, as you guys can see right here. Wow, CHG, look at this. Boom, back in the green for today. Look at that, guys. Confirmation right here. Anyways, okay, so where was I gonna go for here? Okay, so as you guys can see, altcoins, when Bitcoin usually dumps 3%, guys, altcoins usually dump 5 to 10%, even more than that. So altcoins are staying strong. Look at that ADA. They're not even 1%. EGLD, all these coins. Look at Matic is booming, guys. Neo in the green. XLM. We got all these altcoins in the green, guys. Tron. We got Band. So this is a very good sign. We got CAG now that just, wow, look at this. It's actually going up, guys. Up 4% since I made the video, since I started the video. So anyways, guys, so we are seeing the Bitcoin dominance falling. It's pretty good. These are the 2 lines that I've my targets that I've been that I drew them a few days ago or even last week. So I would like to see Bitcoin here to see a massive alt season, guys. Massive alt season. I'm not even kidding. Look at that. CAG is popping right now. Look at that to the right screen, guys. Boom. Guys, I'm telling you, this CAG is not something you want to miss. Please do your own research, guys. Please have a look at it. I think it's gonna boom sooner than later. We saw the money flow in this. We saw the money flow. We saw the double bottom. And we're seeing resistance. It's building nice resistance right here on CHZ. Look at that. Boom. It's building a nice base. So we had base right here, and then now we're building a base right here. And guys, like I said, this was approximately the 4.18 fib level. Let's take the Fibonacci retracement real quick. Back to CHZ. It wasn't right here. I believe it was right here, actually. Yeah, I believe it was right here since the big pump. Yeah, exactly. So we are back in the 6.18 Fibonacci level, which is the golden rule, guys. The Fibonacci 618 is the golden ratio. So, guys, I am telling you, please do your own research about the Fibonacci, guys. This is not financial advice. Don't go crazy on the leverage. So this is it. This is today's update, guys. Guys, if this video reaches 10,000 videos, I will do a $200 giveaway tomorrow. Mark my word, guys. You have to do 3 things. You have to share this video, like it, and comment below, guys. And if this video gets 10,000 views, I will do a $200 giveaway, guys. Please leave your address below and what kind you would like to receive it, whether it's Bitcoin, ADA, whatever it is, guys. Make sure you have Binance so I can send it to you on Binance, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.